Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to animate text in InShot. InShot is a powerful and easy to use video editing app that allows users to enhance the content with professional features. One of its most engaging tools is the text animation, which helps make titles, captions and subtitles more dynamic and visually appealing. So in this tutorial I will guide you step by step on how to animate text in InShot quickly and effectively. First, you need to open to your InShot app on your device, and once you reach into this interface of InShot, you can find this video, photo or collage. Tap on the video from the home screen. Over here you can either select the video from your gallery, or you can also go to your drafts if you prefer to. On the bottom toolbar, tap on the text. Here you can type down the text. Over here you can type down any of the text. Swipe a bit down until you find this animation here. Tap on this animation. You can select any of the animation that you prefer here, and that is it. Adjust animation duration using the slider if available. Tap the check mark to apply to the animation here, and after that you can preview the video to ensure the animation looks smooth and properly timed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.